everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm super excited to announce some big changes today. Our channel is getting a brand new name and a fresh new focus. Welcome to Alpela Academy. We've rebranded to better reflect our mission, empowering your personal and professional growth. Our new tagline says it all: empowering your personal and professional growth. We introduce to you our new name, Alpela Academy. We're also introducing 5 new content pillars to ensure you get a well-rounded experience on our channel. Let's dive into what you can expect. First up, personal development and productivity. Get ready for tips on time management, goal setting, habit formation, and productivity hacks. We'll have new videos every week to help you stay on top of your game. Next, we'll dive into finance and budgeting. From saving strategies to investment advice, we'll cover it all. Expect these videos bi-weekly. We're also bringing you success stories and interviews. Hear from successful individuals and get inspired by their journeys. We'll share these powerful stories once a month. For a more personal touch, we'll have lifestyle vlogs and day in the life videos. See behind the scenes of my daily routine and get lifestyle tips. Look out for these every week. Lastly, we'll focus on health and wellness. From fitness routines to mental health advice, we'll help you live a healthier life. These videos will be up bi-weekly. I can't wait to share this journey with you all. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Your feedback is super important, so let me know what you think about the new content and what you'd like to see more of. Thanks for tuning in to the new Alpela Academy. Stay tuned for our upcoming videos that are sure to empower your personal and professional growth. Welcome to our new branding, and see you in the next video. Bye for now.